Hi and welcome to another video. Today we will unbox the Netgear AC1900 Nighthawk Wi-Fi router and have a look at the packaging content. So let's dig in and find top of the router, we will find a couple of status LEDs for power and all of the different connections. At the back, we will find the reset button, 4 LAN connectors, the internet connection, a USB 2.0 port, the power on and off button and the power plug. Also found on the back are the 3 antenna connectors. Yeah, baby! After removing the protective foil, you can see that the router is finished in a matte gray color, which in my opinion looks great. There's already a lot of content on YouTube about the setup process, so I won't be making an installation instruction video on this router. I can however say that after installation, my internet speeds tripled over my standard router from my internet carrier. As well, Wi-Fi being more reliable and more stable. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. I will see you next time.